All right, guys, in today's video, I want to talk to you about whether or not is junk silver the best buy right now. I got some channel mail in and I got a new package in. Let me get it open up and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Silver Britches, and in today's video, guys, I do have some channel mail, and I went ahead and I opened up the package. There it is right there. So it saved you guys the hassle of me fighting that stuff because it was wrapped pretty good. So what did I get in? I got in some junk silver, just like in the video says, and I went ahead and picked it up. Picked up a good small amount. It's not a lot, guys, because right now the spot price is just too high. Well, not the spot price, but the premiums are just too high on everything. So I didn't get a whole lot, you know what I mean? And I got some Kennedys also with it. So what I wanted to talk to you about is junk silver the best buy right now? Well, it depends. I mean, it depends really, because right now everything is extremely high because of the premiums. Now, yes, the spot price is starting to climb every day, and I would say that the norm should be coming back, but it's not. You know what I mean? It seems like the dealers' websites are going up with the spot price, which is kind of unsettling. You know what I mean? I get that, you know, you went through some stuff. You know what I mean? I understand that. I understand that you were having troubles that keeping up with people ordering, but now that all those restrictions have been lifted on the purchases, and your shipping times are closing up, why is the cost going up with the spot price? That's my thing. That's my concern, because I would think that it would actually start coming down a little bit, but you know, I'm not the expert. Those guys are, so I'll let them figure that out. So what I did is I did pick up $12 face value in Walkers, and I picked up $4 face value in Kennedys. So not a super great deal, not a excellent, you know, knock it out of the park deal, but it is a deal. It's something to put away. And I know I've said in the past that I plan on stopping because the prices aren't where I like them to be. But at the end of the day, guys, I still have goals that I gotta meet, and purchasing these, it just makes sense, because if you can purchase junk silver, it does have a numismatic value to it, unless it comes like this. And this is why I always prefer to pick out my junk silver, is because I don't want this right here in my stack. No date. I do not like that, not one bit, especially whenever I ask for dates and I was told that there will be dates. But I'm not going to throw nobody under the bus. I'm not going to say where I got it from. I'm just going to leave it at that. And it looks like, and it doesn't bother me. You see that one's got some rim damage too. See, I wouldn't personally pick out that. And that's the problem with not picking out your own junk silver. See, this one's been cleaned and polished. That's why I don't like buying silver this way, but you kind of have to get what you can get right now. You know what I mean? But to me, one of the best ways to get silver right now is constitutional silver, if you can find it. And another one to get, it goes against my better judgment, but that is it is your bars, your 10-ounce bars, and your 100-ounce bars. Don't forget those either, because that drops down your dollar cost average. And that's what stacking is all about, getting as many ounces in your stack for your fiat. That's what it should be. And silver stackers, they should also remember to don't just buy silver for where it's going. Okay, I get that comment a lot in my videos. Hey, look, man, why are you talking about silver is overpriced right now? It's going to $50 an ounce. Okay, say it does, why would you pay extra for that possibility? That doesn't make any sense. Why not spend a little extra time looking for a deal, looking for something out there that's cheaper? I mean, why pay extra if you don't have to? Because that extra money that you paid, guess what? You might be able to put another ounce or so in your pocket, in your stack. And that's what I try to get across in my point of view of it. And I know a lot of people don't understand that. They like to think that, hey, silver's going up, such and such told me so. Well, it's your money. You use it however you want to use it. But I don't buy on the promise. I buy for what it's going to do right now, right in the moment. So what I did get in is I also got in some channel mail. And this one is from Savage Stacker, who's got a pretty cool sticker. I will put his channel down in the description below. It says, hey brother, thank you for all the great content and support. If you wouldn't mind, sir, I would love to add your sticker. Well, thanks, bro, Savage Stacker. Yeah, I already sent you one in the mail, so hopefully they are crisscrossing. So I did send that to you. And this one came from Inefficient Stacker. And I will also put him down in the description below for you guys to check out his channel. And let's see. Stack the Frack. Because I think he is a gold fractional stacker. So that is that's his jam. And let's see what I got here. And he's got a couple stickers. Inefficient Stacker. So if you guys would, make sure you check him out. He is fairly new channel, putting out good content as well. Something else in here? Yep, sure is. Dude, you didn't have to do that. There you go. That is a Buffalo. I do not own any of these. Golden State Mint. 1/10 ounce. Appreciate that, buddy. Thank you very much. I'll be sure. Well, you didn't leave me an address, so you're gonna have to email me your address so I can send you one. But yeah, junk silver, guys, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to add weight to your stack right now. And I would also throw in your bars, because at the end of the day, guys, it's all about adding weight. It's all about being as efficient and cheap as possible whenever it comes to adding weight to your stack. And that's what I try to do, to be honest with you, is get as much ounces as I can for the little bit of money as possible. That's how you make your stack grow. That's how you make it grow fast. And that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, keep grinding on your stack.